Hello, beautiful soul. I have got very important message for you, and I know this is very important for you to listen because I had a dream about it, and it is about health. So this collective needs to start. We all of us, okay? We need to start taking care of our health, and we need to start taking care of our digestion, especially. Few days ago, I had a dream of a girl who was sleeping, and there is too much of potty was coming out of her, okay. And when I woke up from it, and that time she was sleeping, okay. And then I didn't think of it very much because I thought like being potty, when you see poop in your dreams, that means money is coming to you, okay. So I didn't thought of it that much. But then 2 days ago, when I was going for a walk, a girl, random girl, okay, and I met this girl once for like 2-3 minutes, okay. And we shared some deep, but like it was just like a very small interaction. Even though like she was amazing soul, we didn't spend time together much. And then I was walking, and she comes, okay, and then suddenly she starts to talk about, okay, how her digestion is so bad. For 3 weeks she could not poop, and there was so much buildup of the poop inside. And that's when I knew that this was the collective message. The dream was a collective message for all people. Like, a lot of the disease are built up in our gut, and like our gut is filled with bad waste, old poop. Depends upon like if if your bowel movements, even if they are regular, that there is lot of old poop that stays inside our digestion and it rots. So I'm gonna give you the some tip that is which is in the dream, that was very necessary. It's like sleeping and rest. You gotta prioritize deep rest, because when our body is getting deep rest, that's when our liver, our intestines, and all the kidneys, they get to heal and get to restore the good health, and like also push the poop out. Rest is very important. And another thing that I would say is like health is very important. You can't like have this information and avoid it, okay. So you gotta prioritize it and manage your life. Like, create a life wherein you get to be healthy. Like, literally hold that intention in your heart that God, I want that kind of life wherein my body gets to be its most healthiest, okay. And managing the stress, getting out in the sun, okay, prioritizing the rest, holding the strong intention to build a life that keeps your body, your gut healthiest, and managing the stress. We like live in lot of stress we can live in, but stress-free life. And if I just saw somebody was like feeling so down, like how do I do it? You will be so supported. You will be so supported in it. If the thing is like, okay, oh my God, I don't know how to get the finances to support my health, how to get the go to doctors, and which is also my fear, okay. I haven't in the past, but it worked out, because lot of the times we don't need doctors, and doctors are very important, they are wonderful, but for so many reasons, so many things can be healed through proper sleep, sunlight, and like the right diet and proper rest, and like just giving yourself that calmness, and with prayer lot can be healed, okay. But like I was like, oh, there are some really good doctors, and like when you hold that intention, I want the right health, God guide me in my health, in taking care of my health. You will be guided to right books, right teachers, right doctors, seriously. And I don't remember her name. She's like a really good doctor in India. I don't know wherever you are tuning from, there is a right doctor, right herb, right food. You will be led when your intention in your heart, you are like, okay, I want a good health, God, I want good health. So that, and what else was that? Just give me a moment. movement is necessary as well, dancing. uh, you will be provided for. That's what you will be provided for your health, whatever you need. Few years ago when Mother Earth was guiding me, when I received a call to start taking care of my health, I was worried that will I have the money for the food, right food, and always that I did had, always Mother Earth took care. So if that fear, don't let this fear run your life, okay? Don't no, choose faith. Like, yes, I'm gonna be provided for. I know I'm gonna be provided for, and I am by your side navigating these fears of lack and poverty, so you're not alone, okay? And I am I'm standing right now in such a beautiful place. Like, seriously, it's like magical, and especially that tree, all of these things, like this forest is very powerful. And I am like this Mother Earth, and I know, like, I'm praying over here that everyone who's watching this video, may we all be so supported in, like, taking care of our health, and in having good health, and in, like, in building a life. Like, whatever we need the right guidance, we will receive it. We need the money, resources, we will receive it. And yeah, definitely I feel so good in my heart and calm in my heart right now. Mother Earth got us, and you can book a one-on-one intuitive guidance session with me, with, like, for intuitive and psychic guidance, and, like, to move through fears, anxiety, worries, or any guidance that you need right now. And you can get a much deeper level of support in my 12 weeks of mentorship, wherein, for 12 weeks, in 12 weeks I'll reveal the magic within you, and you will be moving like, on the other side of unworthiness, wounds, shame, unprocessed emotions, and guilt. It's a deep initiation into magic, that 12 weeks of mentorship. So link of that is in my bio, and I will see you in another video. Comment down below your takeaways, and, like, anything you want to send me love. Oh, also you can donate for my rent, food, and bills. That will help me a lot, okay? My doggy Rani.